What's going on, everyone? This is the dashboard of Classic Traffic Pro, and here you can see some analytics. You can see report on your activities on your account. So to post, you just need to go to posts, click on post, and then you are going to see the list of the Instagram accounts that you've connected to Classic Traffic Pro. So what you need to do is select the account that you want to post to, and then you'll be able to post media, post story, or post carousel. Media can be a picture or video. The same thing with story, it could be a picture or video. The same thing with carousel, it could be a group of pictures or a group of videos. You'll be able to upload videos from your machine, or you can basically go ahead and search for content from other users on Instagram, which you can use. You can either post now or also schedule your post to go out at a later time. So for this demo, I'm going to post from Instagram. I'm going to search for a post to use on Instagram. This account is a weight loss account, so I'm going to search for a weight loss post. Let me show you the account before making the post. I'm going to refresh the account for you right now. So the last post on the account, let's see when it was posted. So this was posted 7 days ago. So let's just go back to Classic Traffic Pro. We are going to search for weight loss related hashtags. So let's just search for weight loss. Click on search, and then Classic Traffic Pro is going to go out and find posts on weight loss from Instagram. So here we go, we have some posts on our results, and then we'll be able to select any of these posts to use to post on our account. So for this demo, I'm going to select a video post. So these are pictures, and then these are video posts. So I'm just going to click on post, and then you'll be able to edit the description, or in the case where you wouldn't want your hashtags to actually appear on your post, or what you rather want it to appear in the comment section at the first comment. You can basically just cut the tags and then come and paste it here, and then you can remove the hashtags that you don't want, and then you can basically edit, remove what you don't want, add whatever it is that you want. You can also schedule the post to go out at a later date, but I'm going to make this post now so that we can actually see how it works. So once you've seen that you basically like the video, what you need to do, and then also you can enter a location. You can actually tag a location. Let's just say Alaska, just to search for a location. So I'm just going to select one, and then I can go ahead, and once you've done that, you can just go ahead and post now. Once you've selected account, you can go ahead and post. So Classic Traffic Pro is going to post the account and give us the notification right here that the video has been posted. So once you see that, you can go ahead and check your account. I'm going to refresh this right now so that we can see our new post. So as you can see, our post has been made on the account, and as you can see, all the hashtags that we actually put there was added, and also the location was also added. So that's it. It's just as simple as that, and then other people can now go ahead and view our post. So that's just the way it works.